What you are about to witness is not merely a construction project. It is one man's profound journey to escape the modern world and forge a new existence from the ground up. Armed only with his will and the forest's raw materials, a transformative vision begins to take shape. In this solitude, an unexpected visitor appears, a silent observer to this ambitious undertaking. The first pillars of a dream are driven into the earth. Each strike a testament to his unwavering determination. Ancient techniques are revived as wood is patiently shaped by hand. The forest provides everything needed for this sanctuary to rise. Slowly, the skeletal framework of a new home emerges. Each beam is placed with meticulous care. As the structure begins to command its space by the tranquil water, the floor is laid, a solid foundation for the life that will unfold here. Next, the roof begins its ascent toward the sky. A shield against the elements and a symbol of shelter. The pace is deliberate, measured, and precise. Every cut and measurement is a step closer to completion. The structure's iconic frame shape is now clearly visible. A painstaking process of layering the roof begins, transforming the skeleton into a true dwelling. As the sun begins to set, its golden light blesses his labor, casting long shadows that dance with his determined movements. Larger panels are now fitted, enclosing the space within. The home is becoming a private world, a fortress of solitude. The final, crucial pieces of the roof are crafted and set into place. A window is installed, a portal between his sanctuary and the wild. Attention now turns to the interior, laying the floor plank by plank. A door is hung, the final barrier and invitation to his new world. The vision is realized. A stunning wooden home stands complete. A staircase connects it to the earth, an elegant and vital link. Finishing touches are applied to the railings, ensuring safety and style. The work is intricate, demanding focus and a steady hand. With the staircase finished, the home is now fully accessible. A quiet moment of satisfaction, surveying the masterpiece. But the work isn't over. The lower deck requires the same care. The structure stands in perfect harmony with the surrounding forest. He performs a final, careful inspection of his handiwork. Even the smallest details of the roof receive his full attention. The finished home, a testament to what one person can achieve. Now, the space must be made into a home. He cleans and prepares his new dwelling, a final act of creation. As dusk falls, he washes away the day's labor in the cool water. A fire pit is prepared, a place for warmth and sustenance. The first fire is lit, its smoke rising like an offering to the night. His curious companion, the cat, watches from the railing. As darkness envelops the forest, the hearth becomes the heart of the home. The fire blazes, a primal comfort against the immense wilderness. the reward for his hard work, a simple, nourishing meal. And in this solitude, a profound bond is shared. He and the monkey, two souls sharing a moment of peace and nourishment. The work continues. He begins crafting furniture for his home. The project expands beyond mere shelter to create a living space. He begins to cultivate the land around his home, carving a garden plot from the rich, red earth. This is no longer just a camp, it is becoming a homestead. He shapes the very ground, preparing a foundation for new growth. In the distance, the timeless rhythms of rural life continue. He carefully lays out a new plan on the earth, a vision for integrating his home even more deeply with the land. The final view reveals a perfect fusion of nature and craftsmanship. The next phase begins, landscaping the area. He painstakingly lays down sod, bringing lush green to his doorstep. The contrast between the wild forest and the manicured lawn is striking. He is creating an oasis of order in the heart of the wilderness. Every piece of turf is placed with the same care as the house's beams. The rich green carpet begins to transform the space. He even brings life to the steps themselves, blending them with the earth. A final trim ensures a perfect, seamless finish. Returning to his craft, he shapes more wood for the next project. Now, he carries the next piece of his vision toward the water. With the landscape complete, the house truly looks like it belongs. His focus shifts to the water's edge, another plan taking form. The green lawn now extends all the way to the foundation of the home. His work by the water continues, purposeful and mysterious. The ground by the shore is prepared for a new structure. The next task requires him to venture into the water itself. He lays the foundation for a bridge or dock, connecting his sanctuary directly to the water. The sun sets on another day of transformative labor. He wades into the cool water, driving posts deep into the lake bed. The bridge begins to extend out over the placid surface. The deck is laid, creating a new platform for life on the water. As twilight deepens, he meticulously crafts the railings. His work continues long after the sun has disappeared. The finished pier stands elegantly against the purple sky. He gathers firewood, preparing for the coming night. The pier is not yet complete. The final details are added by hand. The completed pier, a perfect extension of his home. Now, he crafts furniture to enjoy this new space. A simple table and chair emerge from his skilled hands. His creation is complete, a place for rest and contemplation. The water provides a bounty, harvested under the cloak of night. He prepares his meal over an open fire on his handcrafted pier. The aroma of grilled seafood fills the still night air. A light cuts through the darkness, a beacon in his isolated world. The meal is ready, garnished and cooked to perfection. In the quiet of the night, he enjoys the fruits of his labor. A solitary figure, completely at peace in the world he built. The warm glow of his home provides a comforting backdrop. This is the culmination of his journey, a life of simple, profound fulfillment. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Primitive Villa for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.